Struggling with messy form inputs? Try field validation to get data in the right format. Let's learn how to use MetForm's field validation to ensure accurate form submissions. To use this feature, you must have Elementor and MetForm installed on your site. Now let's look at a quick example of field validation. Say you want to make sure a phone number field only accepts between 10 and 12 digits. Just go to the Forms under MetForm in the dashboard and click on the Edit with Elementor option to open your form inside Elementor Editor. Now, select the phone number field and head over to the Settings panel. From there, choose Validation by Character Length. Set the minimum to 10, the maximum to 12, and then add a custom error message to guide users if they enter too few or too many digits. Now, whenever someone tries to submit the form with the wrong number of characters, they'll immediately see a helpful message telling them exactly what to fix. And it doesn't stop there. Validation works across all sorts of fields: text, numbers, names, emails, even passwords. You can check by word count, limit character length, or even apply advanced expressions and regex patterns with MetForm Pro. So activate MetForm today and start using field validation for better accuracy.